Hey Google, what time is it?
5:58.
5:58 a.m. I'm still awake. There are these. It's not, I can't even comb through it. It's just like it's stuck. There were mosquitoes flying around. It would be trapped in there. I could be like a live mosquito trap. I want to do something crazy. It's to cut off my hair and just leave it like that. I don't know how that would look like. I've talked 5 minutes. I wish I was this talkative in class. That I'm deleting. How are you?
I'm okay. How are you doing?
Drugs, if you take them repeatedly, the same dose over time yields less and less and less of an effect. It's inducing what's called tolerance. You are getting tolerant to the drug, which means it requires more drug to elicit the same magnitude of effect. Again,
So, and then, I mean, well, based on permeability, they can even estimate, like, somehow, now there is a problem and efficient, but the intermediate, so that will be awesome. And then, of course,
It's so choppy. Oh, actually pretty bad. Can I do some layers? I think it's supposed to go this way, the teeth. First strand. So this is the part I hate. Okay. I don't have a lot of split ends. They're not too bad. I'm good and fine. I used to do this piggy tail every single day for my elementary. And by the end of the semester, I will always have like a straight line from the start of my forehead to the back. That's like suntan, and where it's like mosquito or whatever, that's like always nearby your ear. You just do this, and it really helps. I don't know what I'm supposed to do for the shape. I'm just gonna go with the shape. This is a finished look.算了，就直接剪短一点。我好习